Oh, that was a hit. Got one. Oh my gosh, guys. He's pulling. Like, I'm putting my weight against him. He is pulling. Hey guys, this is Caleb with Caleb Sketches. We're back at Veterans Park to see if we can complete the food chain challenge. I've got me a thing of night crawlers. We're gonna see if we can catch us some sunfish or bluegill, and then we're gonna come back here tonight with cut bait or some live bluegill and see if we can catch a catfish or a bass. So I hope y'all enjoy, and let's just get out there and have a lot of fun. Oh, got one. There, it's easy. Just keep reeling it in, and then hopefully one cast they'll just take it hard enough to where you can set the hook, because they've already got small amount. Wow, there we go. There's one. All right, so there's the second one, guys. There we go. There we go. He's hooked. He's fighting like a champion too. Fish number 3. Like I said last time, it's probably too big of a piece. Their mouths are so tiny that your goal is to make them bite so hard that they set the hook. If you have too big of a piece, they're just going to take it from you. Oh, got him. Got him. There's number 4. Got one. Number 5. And guys, that's going to do it for right now. We'll get back with y'all later tonight and see if we can complete the food chain challenge and catch us a catfish, a bass, or a bigger species. All right, guys, we are back at Veterans Park. I've got my 5 bluegill that I caught earlier. I'm going to use 1 or 2 as live bait, and the rest is cut bait. So let's see if we can complete the food chain challenge and get us some catfish or some bass. Or maybe it is under. Y'all let me know in the comments. I don't. Oh, we got something. Oh my gosh. Oh, yep, that's a good one. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, we got one. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got one. Guys, we just completed the food chain challenge. Yes. Yes. Look at him. I'll turn my light on so y'all can see him better. Look at him. Yes. All right, guys. I'll be back to you in a minute with the measurements. All right, guys, here he is. He's a 17.5 inch. I think it's a blue cat. And he weighs about 1.5 pounds, so not too bad. He's actually going home with me tonight, so we're going to continue fishing. Oh. Guys, we got another one. Oh my gosh, he's fighting good too. Oh, dear goodness. Get your butt in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's diving still. I don't want to lose him at the bank. Wow. No, 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 no. Oh, he broke my line off, I think. Okay, I thought he snapped off my line. Where's he at? Man, that's a big one. What is that? You got a weird little gash there, buddy. All right, what are you tangled in? All right, guys, here is that massive Massive catfish. I'm gonna put him right here, see how long he is. Ow, he's trying to spine me. Big old thing. Come on, lay flat. Guys, look. He is 21.5 inches long. I mean, that's a big fish. Let me turn my light intensity down a little bit. And just look at that. Absolutely massive fish. And it's an Earth channel cat. That's a big channel. All right, so we're gonna put him up and continue fishing. All right, if he'll fit in here. All right, so there's that. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, we got another one. No. Guys, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I am literally stuck in my line of my other rod trying to reel in a catfish. Might have to hand line him. There he is. He's at the bank. Yep, another cat. He's a little bit smaller, but another channel cat. Cool. All right, we're going to continue fishing. He's long, but he's small. All right. I'll be back with y'all in a second. All right, guys, here's catch number 3. Oh, he's trying to roll, so I'm trying to get him on the board for y'all. He's another 18.5 inches. So, not bad. Oh, that was a hit. Got one. Oh my gosh, guys. He's pulling. Like, I'm putting my weight against him. He's pulling hard. I don't know what this is. I can't tell if it's a catfish yet or not. All I know is I felt straight weight as soon as I set that hook. Oh, come on, baby. Oh my gosh, it's another good catfish. I mean, when I say good, I mean great. I mean, oh my gosh, guys. Look at these things tonight. There we go. Dang. If there's any bluegill left, I'm gonna have to continue because this is just too much fun. There. He is another, gosh, he's another 21 incher. Really nice cat. I think it's a channel cat because it's got the brown. Daggum. Well, guys, what an absolutely amazing night for Caleb's Catches. We got 4 really good sized catfish and completed the food chain challenge at that. Started with a night crawler, caught 5 bluegill, and then used those bluegill in various forms, whether it was live or cut bait, and caught those awesome 4 catfish. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching the food chain challenge, and we'll do more challenges like this if y'all like these videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And this is Caleb's Catches. Remind you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.